Hey friends, it's Ian and Brittany from Parker Clay. Perhaps, like many of you that are processing all that's happening around the world today, while figuring out how to be spouse, parent, friend, coach, and leader, it's a lot. Over the last few years, our business at Parker Clay has grown from just a few team members to now over 150. And with that, our vision to impact and empower communities has grown beyond what we could imagine. Every day at Parker Clay, we celebrate people, from the producers behind our product to you, our community. As entrepreneurs, it takes faith and hope beyond our own ability to make something where there was nothing before. What's happening in the world right now is unfair, but we believe when given an unfair task, we see it as a chance to test what we are made of and give it all we've got. We also see it as an opportunity because it is often in times like this that our best can be brought out. Our best ideas come from moments like this, where obstacles illuminate new options.
Our community has been the backbone of everything we do here at Parker Clay. Without you and your support, none of this would be possible. Our vision for 2020 is bigger than ever, but it can only be accomplished if you believe in where we are headed.
From right here in Santa Barbara to our factory in Ethiopia over 9,000 miles away, our team is working around the clock to get through these challenges. Starting now, we're asking for you to rally alongside us in a unique way by paying it forward. We've created an offer on our website, parkerclay.com/we go together, where you're able to help us fund as a community for what's next. Will you join us? Let's go together.